I'm Walter Day, the father of esports, and you're watching Matty Mo's Arcade.
And you know how long it's been since I played Whac-A-Mole?
I'm getting ready to attack, fanny pack attached. Tokens are all stacked, got the mallet in my grasp. Waiting for the moles, hiding in their holes. Scoreboard keeping tally, I'll be playing till they close now. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. I'm a mallet master, a single-fisted blaster. You can ask my baby, it starts slow then gets faster. I'm a record setter.
Alright, this is just going to be a one-shot. The video I wanted to release today, I have still got a lot of editing to do on it. I didn't realize I shot as much footage for it as I did, and I didn't have time to do it today. I actually edited on it all night last night, and some today before I came to work, and even a little bit when I got to work. But I will shoot the end of this. I'll recap for you because the rest of the work that I've done on this is in another video. I found some bad pots on the control board on this one. This monitor came from Nathan's house. It was on his Cruising World, and I rebuilt the chassis, but we couldn't get the red to come in properly. And like I said, I did find some bad pots on the chassis, on the control board, and then on the neck board. I also found the red pot was bad, I think. Yeah, the red pot, and then one of the drives, or one of the gains. I don't remember which one that happened to be. I think this one goes here. I'm gonna rush and do this wrong here, which I will. And there's also some bent pins on here. I think there might be a short in that. Don't try this at home. That's a pro tip. It's not a pro tip. Don't listen to me. It's dangerous. But if it's just dust that's in the neck, shorten 2 pins out. Sometimes you can knock the dust off of there. You just don't want to hit it very hard. Hit it lighter than a beer bottle. Okay, so that should be good. Got the TPG plugged in. And basically I had this thing, the TPG plugged in last time, but I didn't have a good pot, so I didn't have any control over what was happening. So let's go ahead before I turn that on. Dim it up a little bit. And let's see what we got. I didn't do something right. I didn't hear high voltage either. I'm wondering if something happened. Alright, let me look here. Yoke wires on there. Neck is on there. Yoke wires. Pop the fuse out or something? I heard high voltage, kinda. Maybe we won't end this on this, I guess. That's weird. I got this power plug rigged too, and that definitely could be a problem. I didn't really mess with a whole lot for it to not fire up. It's kind of odd. Put it on medium. Turn it back off. Let's try again. Come on, arcade gods. heard it. It just clicked and it shut down. Well, that figures. Move on to another one. Move on to something else for now, but that's weird. There has to be something I didn't plug in or something like that. Alright, unplugged something moving around. I kind of moved it around a little too far. This is a little loose. Not too bad. The neck's in there pretty good. This is the fun part about arcade repair. It's even when you think you know you did everything right. Let's see. What was it that I was plugging in thinking that I could have been wrong? Something on the neck board. Could have missed a ground. It's off. It sounded to me like it went into high voltage shutdown. So it just goes click and goes off. That's a ground, so that was right. The cap's okay. Neck looks pretty toast. Some of those I had to bend back in place. Fuse. Let's see, how does it look? It looks fine. I don't know. We will just have to check it out tomorrow when I have more time. Try it one more time so you can hear it. It goes, just makes like a little click. And the high voltage is like the static sound that you hear. And I didn't hear that. Get myself shocked right there on camera. That'll be funny. Let's see if let me check this with my meter real fast. I'm not supposed to check them in circuit, but it's got to be. It'll still read fine. I'll just pop it up one side. It looks like there could be a little funny spot in it. It doesn't take long to check. Just listening for the beep. Yep, we're good. Good on that aspect. The arcade gods are not with me tonight. Had pretty good luck with this thing all day too. That's how it goes. Can't ever check anything in the last 5 minutes. That's bad news bears. Alright, so let's just check this out, flip it on one more time, and then I'll pack up and go, and I'll load this up on YouTube for you guys so you'll have something to watch today. And then hopefully tomorrow I'll have the other video up. Okay, we need a neck board, don't we? Isn't there, is that the only one? So making sure all the wiring that goes somewhere is plugged in where it goes. I don't see anything unplugged. Well, that's not plugged in, is it? That's kind of a problem. Okay. I don't know if that was our problem, but we definitely wouldn't get a picture without that control port plugged in. So yeah, we need this plugged in. Hopefully this is it. That would be awesome. As usual, this time of night I'm always running late. I should be already like boxed up and ready to walk out the door. I guess I could really just stay all night if I wanted to. I don't think anybody would really care. could sure get some stuff done if I didn't fall asleep and play coin pusher all night. One of the two. Okay. I don't know if this thing can zap you or not, but I keep getting zapped by chassis when I pull them out. Are we still recording? Got some time? Okay, 10 minutes. Alright, let's try her again. Alright, come on for us this time. Let's see, make sure this is off. Okay. Oh, high voltage. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, here we go. We're going to turn her on. And we got some craziness. This was one of the pots that was messed up before. Still, oh, a little better. It's still not very good. Can't get it to stop. There is a pot on the inside on the chassis as well I can touch up. Oh, almost. Let me see if I can hit that. And before I was just flipping this thing and it was stopping. That's why I figured, so there's a cold solder joint or something on one of them. It's probably on the header pins of the connector. I bet that's what it is. No, it definitely won't stop when I hit it. Let's see what else we can get. I have all three colors on. Let's turn blue off. Turn all off. Huh? There we go. It's really overdriving that blue. There's red and green. We got no green right now. Let's turn that up. So I think this one works. I'm gonna have to get it dialed in and figure out why all these pots aren't working and all this dumb stuff. Stuck my face right on the anode cup. That's awesome. You guys are gonna get some good footage, I think. I'm not seeing anything there. Turn it up better with my fingers. So it's turned all the way up, or all the way down. One of the two. I don't see anything there. Try some brightness. Brightness is next. Let me turn on another color so I can see what's going on here. Red. There's blue, but now the blue's not so overdriven. I must have turned the wrong one. This is blue here. I don't think that screwdriver fits in there right. What time are we at? I'm going to split this in half and put in a intermission. We're at 13 minutes. Holy crap. Alright, I'm going to stop right here for a second because it doesn't like 15-minute videos. I'll kick it back on in 2 seconds. Okay, all I did was just turn on the blue just a little bit. And I'm going to try to do the green here. The green pot is backwards, of course. I don't know. I don't like that idea. Let me try to get it from this side. This one's turned all the way off too. really see much difference. That's why I thought the pots were all broken, because sometimes you just don't see any difference. That blue is really overpowering. It's almost like the other two transistors are weak. Let's go off with. I thought that was blue. Oh, that was green. Okay. Now, blue. Let's turn them all off. Just turn green on. And nothing. Still nothing. So we definitely have a problem with that. So I'm going to check that transistor next. Make sure there's no cold solder joints. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Never mind. It was turned down. And there's green and red. Now I got to turn it down a bunch. Or turn red up. There's green, red, and blue. Let's see, let's try a different screen. So we're getting somewhere. I still think that pot's messed up, or it's the wrong value. That would be a good one to see. Try to turn that green over down. Alright, I really gotta go now, though. That's a little better. That's a little red. Red over here. Just want some red. Not a lot. Don't you start flipping out on me. I'll beat you. Different pot messed up this time. It's this one completely. That's weird. Alright, well, we are going to have to continue on. It looks like I'm just making it worse. Maybe I can find another control board like this laying around at the house. It's trying to get better, isn't it? Oh well. So be it. Such is life. We will be back tomorrow. Hopefully with that better video I'll have for you guys. I had a lot of editing into it. It's pretty funny though. Alright, we'll see you. So these two right here are going to be ground and 5 volts. So what do we get here? Did I not turn the game on? I didn't turn the game on. I guess that would help. Hang on.
Here it is. A nice little trade. The person I traded got what they wanted. I got what I wanted. And a pretty good deal on it too. Super hang on.
What I want.
That comes later.
Yeah.
Okay. It's on fire.
Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
Well, that's bad.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching.
When you take care of people, people take care of you in this community.
That's the truth.
So everyone, please remember that. Even if we're competitors, we're not enemies.